Hello friends, may this Ganesh Chaturthi be a positive start and may Lord Ganesha wish you with all the success and most importantly very big profits. And thank you for all your wishes friends. In this video I am going to show you something and then I'm going to give you other information as well after the music friends. Okay, this breakout is already triggered, so we can expect a move up till 2640 with a small stop loss of say 2585. Okay, so 10 rupees versus close to 40 rupees is what we are expecting. 1:4. After that, it is your wish, you can trail it. My responsibility is over friends. Coming to the sell stock, as I told you friends, I was not able to see a stock which was very bearish, but the sell stock that I have chosen is M&M. Now let me draw a Fibo here friends. From the top to bottom, if I draw a Fibo, we have crossed the 50 levels, but we have not crossed the 61.8 levels. Okay, and what I believe, what is going to happen as soon as this trend line is broken, all right, there is a clear downfall till here is what I am supposing. As I mentioned, I'm not so positive on a sell stock as of today because I was not able to locate a very good sell stock. But out of the given stocks, this was the one which I was looking for a sell for this particular reason. So friends, I hope you enjoyed that video. That was the video that was for yesterday. And welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, let me show you friends, after seeing that video, I mentioned that I was not able to locate a proper sell stock. And I pulled up Nifty for you, Nifty 50. And look at this. There are 50 advances friends and 0 declines. That means there was not one stock in Nifty that went down in yesterday's trading session. Anyways, that was a good news that I wanted to share. And yes, for those of us who are saying that market goes as per my say, that's not the case friends. Just that I say whatever I see and it turns to be correct sometimes. That is all. Nothing apart from that. Okay, it's not that I move the market. Okay, that's not the case at all. Coming to the analysis today, in this video we are going to see and talk about Nifty, Bank Nifty, one stock for sell and one stock for buy for tomorrow's trading session. And if you are still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and ring that bell icon so that you will not miss a video that I am posting and an update that I am giving friends. Okay, in the previous video I gave you a stock for buy which was Hindustan Unilever. I told you this is the place where you can buy. This was the target, this was the target somewhere around this area, and you see where it has gone friends. Very good money that we made. And M&M was the stock which I gave you, which was triggered for an entry below this area, and it in the opening itself crossed the 61.8 levels. So it will be not wrong saying that our entry was not triggered at all. This trend line that we drew remained the way it was. Finally it went till there without breaking the trend line. Anyways, if you consider it as SL it, yes, you can consider it, no issues on that. But what's important is how it traveled. And I am in the process of making another video friends. In that video there are many things that I am including, and I'm waiting for a few more subscribers to be added so that I can start giving you some advanced concepts about Nifty, Bank Nifty and different stocks. Okay, in that video everything is very clear, but it's in the process of making. It might come in next few days. Okay, there will be concepts about Fibo, there will be concepts about extension, there will be concept about Fibonacci channel and Fibonacci speed resistance accuracy. All these things will be described one by one once we cross a particular level on our subscribers. I'll also be giving you details on MACD, different kind of indicators that are there here, Bollinger Bands, stochastic, everything. Okay, that will all be introduced once we have good number of subscribers, because I don't want to give it now and again repeat it when we have good number of subscribers, friends. Okay, and coming to the other video that is being shooted, that is being recorded, make sure that you watch it, place it before today's video, because I know it has been shooted, it has been half recorded before giving out this video, friends. Okay, coming back to our analysis for Nifty Bank Nifty, friends, I told you that we are going to close this particular gap, and exactly our gap was closed, followed by a very good momentum and a positive close upwards, friends. Okay, this was a amazing momentum that happened as we expected. Similar was the case with Bank Nifty. It started here. I was expecting it to touch the bottom and then move upwards. Nothing like that happened. Straight started moving upwards and hit the target here, which was our gap filling target, followed by an upward momentum again. 800-900 points, friends, not at all a joke. Coming to our analysis for next few days, friends. See, if you look at this chart like this, friends, on a 1 hour time frame, this is what it is. Okay, from top to bottom, if I am drawing a Fibo, see, this was a double bottom kind of pattern here. Okay, did we expect this momentum? The answer is no. We expected it to move till here, but because there was a holiday on the next day, both the distances were covered in one day itself, friends. And look at it, stopped exactly at the resistance levels. Are we bullish, bearish on the market? We are bullish again. Okay, and to give you an update, there is one more thing that I wanted to tell you here. See, in yesterday's trading session, I had a view of negativity in the beginning, but we changed our mind looking at these candles, friends. There was not a single attempt to go down. Okay, and this Fibo, if you look at it, there was rejection here, but was this rejection coming till here? The answer is no. There was no question of any rejection here. Here there was a sideways momentum. Okay, there was no question of coming down or retracing. There was no respect for this area at all. There was no respect for this area. There was no respect for this area. Probably it stayed there for some time and then kept on moving upwards. Now, to tell you, friends, this is where I became extra positive on market, friends, and achieved this particular target. Okay, this was close to 200 odd points, out of which I could capture some 80-90 points. Now, what is important is this, friends. Understand this. 80-90 points on a buy call option is a big deal. Why? Because our quantity usually is high when we are buying options. Okay, so now if you calculate it from here to here, okay, this was around 900 points move, 800-900 points move. So our option also moved close to 700 points, friends. So those of us who bought an option for like 300 rupees, it went to 1000. Okay, so it is practically impossible for retail traders like you and me to capture 1000 points when it comes to options, friends. Why? Because we have something called emotions. Okay, and our emotions don't allow us to capture such big profits. Keep that in mind. Now, if you want to, if you are able to, if say for example you are trading with 1000 quantity, friends, because it's a buy trade, 1000 quantity will take around 3 lakhs. Okay, or okay, let's come down to some okay, let's talk about 3 lakhs. From 3 lakhs, if you are making this kind of momentum, we start opening calculator and we say that around 600 points into 3 lakhs is like good 60 lakhs. Is it possible to earn 60 lakhs? Is it practical to earn 60 lakhs? The answer is no. Why? Because are you ready to take a at least 1:5 loss out of 60 lakhs divided by 5? How much is 60 divided by 5? Are you able to take 6 lakhs or even 3 lakhs worth loss in one day? The answer is no. So we would not be able to work with such a big risk to reward ratio, friends. Keep that in mind. Always it is practical to get a risk to reward ratio to up to 1:2, 1:3, or maximum 1:4. Like I explained in Hindustan Unilever yesterday in the previous video, I gave you a risk to reward of 1 is to 4. 10 points was our stop loss, and we were expecting some 40 to 50 points. Did we capture this entire rally of 90 points? The answer is no, we could not. So something similar in this case as well. Don't expect to capture such big risk to reward ratios, at least in the initial times, friends. There are huge big traders who have capitals of like 2 crores, 3 crores. Those are the ones who can really think of capturing big momentum. If someone has even captured 50% of this momentum, yes, I would say he is a successful or a winning trader, friends. Okay, just keeping you posted on that. Coming to our view for Nifty and Bank Nifty, friends. See, there are two things that I would like to talk here. Now, Nifty has rallied so much, friends. Okay, this is a very long rally. Now, what might have happened is at these candles towards closing, there would be many people who would have gone for a straddle position. Now, what is a straddle position? Yes, that is going to come shortly. I'm going to explain you how a straddle works, a short straddle works. Okay, but then they might have shorted the calls and puts at these levels or these levels. Now, Bank Nifty and Nifty, in my opinion, will not stop here. It will continue to go upwards tomorrow as well. Why? Because tomorrow is a expiry day or a Thursday, friends. That is the reason I am bullish on both the stocks, so that is Nifty and Bank Nifty, friends. Okay, coming to our buy stock for tomorrow, it is L&T, friends. Why? Look at this. This is the next resistance which it can easily achieve, friends. That is the reason I am giving it for a buy. And even if you look at it from a Fibo standpoint, it has crossed the 61.8 levels, and also it has crossed the 78.6 levels, which is the highest possibility of moving till here. So we would enter immediately here at this red candle. I am expecting a gap up. So anything above this is what we'll enter, and our target will be somewhere here, friends. So if you look at it from a risk to reward standpoint, some 6 to 7 points, from 24 to some 12. Okay, that would be around 12 points is our stop loss, followed by 40 or 35 to 40, friends. Okay, that is our target, which is bringing it to close to 1 is to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Okay, I hope you understood the logic behind it. Another reason, we have already crossed these resistances. Okay, and this trend line is also clearly broken, is what we can see here, after which there is a very good retracement and a upward momentum. And if you look at this trend line, this is also this level. If you look at this level, this is also crossed, and this is called a retest. This last candle that you see is a retest candle, friends, followed by upward momentum is what we are seeing here. Now coming to a sell stock. Okay, sell stock would be HCL Tech, friends. What do we see in HCL Tech here is simple, friends. Okay, if I draw a trend line here, the trend line has been broken, it has been retested. Okay, now another trend line if I am drawing here, this trend line is also broken, followed by a retest on these small candles here that we see. Okay, and it has given a closing below these levels. That means it is going to fall. It might go ahead and take a small retracement somewhere here. If you enter there, our stop loss would be the day high, which is 948. From 44 to 48 is like 5-6 rupees, friends, 4 rupees to be precise, or little above that. Even if we keep a stop loss of 950, that would be great, against which we are expecting a target of this levels, friends, which is 934. Okay, I hope you understood the logic behind sell on HCL Tech as well. So to summarize, we are positive, sideways to positive on Nifty, Bank Nifty, positive on L&T, and negative on HCL Tech. Okay, and if you have still not subscribed to the video, please subscribe. Also share it with your friends and family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money from stock market with the analysis that I'm giving, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and wish you a profitable tomorrow, that is 1st of September, friends.